Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through this home over by the airport area, 731 West Country Club. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are, 731 West Country Club. As you can see, it's going to be 2,500 square foot lot. Typically, every house up in Big Bear is going to be 25 or 50 or 75 or 10 by 100. So when I say 10, I mean 100. So either 2,500, 5,000, 7,500, or 10,000 square foot lot. Property line is going to be all fully fenced in over here. Gate that opens, can block yourself in here. Obviously, you're going to get a little bit of some street noise from Big Bear Boulevard. That is where that siren is coming from right now. We are about the 3rd street in from the boulevard. Going this way, you're going to hit a couple gyms in Big Bear City. You can get back roads. Like basically this new building right back here is going to be the new airport that they're building. And then coming down this way, you're going to hit the convention center. So what this house would be great for is anybody that wants something that is close proximity to everything, a good rental for Oktoberfest, things like that, or primary home. Lots of primary homeowners that live around here. I already see a bunch of cars that are home today. So we do have an upgrade where we've got a concrete parking right here, parking enough for 2 cars at least, possibly 3 if you park one in the back. And I did want to give a shout out. This one is listed by Chris Hildebrandt of Keller Williams. Great listing, great price. As you can see, it is pretty newer-ish construction, built in 2015, which is newer to us. Log-sided home. I love how they use the raw edges of all of this. This would probably need to be sanded and stained at some point throughout the next ownership. It is starting to get a little dry and bare wood and missing some color in some areas, but nothing that's too hard to do. We do have our stop and waste out here, and then coming up to a covered porch area. And this one is just currently used as a second home, not as a vacation rental or a full-time, but just a second home. So pretty nice and quiet in this little nook right here. Nice to sit out here, have your morning coffee, get some mountains up here. You get a little bit of road noise, but it also sounds like maybe like it has the sound of the mountain blowing snow, but that's not what that is. So let's go check out the inside. Okay, so coming inside, there's like a little entry area right here before we go into like the main living room area, which is nice. I think kind of decoration wise, I would move, I don't think this stuff was meant to stay here. Move all of this out and make it total like a ski rack room area to sit at. Take your boots off. It's kind of just a mud room that doesn't really allow you to have muddy things. So one thing to point out, we do have like a vinyl tile look. There's a sheet of vinyl. We do have nice upgrades, like check out that lamp, that's really pretty. Do you have dual pane windows here? Can see out, see who's parked here. The colors of it, it's kind of like a almondish, yellowish, kind of off-white color all throughout the house. Would be beautiful painted white. So coming in, this is going to be the living room, but I wanted to give you the stats really quick. It's going to be a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,152 square foot. They originally started at $379.9, and then they are currently down to $359.9. So not sure how much lower they're willing to go, but it is a great house. Great floor plan, really nice floor plan. So coming in, we do transition from this vinyl flooring into this carpet. The carpet is probably from the original 2015. It looks like 2015 carpet, but with it comes some 2015 stains. This carpet used to be like super forgiving, but it seems like it's probably seen its day and it needs to be changed out. Maybe a hardwood would be really pretty in here, or go back to a carpet, because this is a beautiful cozy room that you would probably want to stay warm in. hardwood floors and a throw rug if you wanted to. So layout, it's almost like we've got, yeah, this used to be a wraparound couch, but they've separated it into 2 sections, which is fine. But I think I'd probably would lay this out a little bit differently and get rid of the Vino look that it has to it. Do more of like a Big Bear modern look in here too. So probably a little desk in this area. This is beautiful. So this is going to be like a rock, fake rock, but still nice stone fireplace. We've also got an area to hang the TV on, so it's already there. Plug it right in. And then we've got an electric fireplace, which is also going to put off some good heat in here. And then it should have a blower feature to it too. I can already kind of feel a little bit of heat coming out of that, even though it's not really on. This is probably going to turn it on right there. Yep, there we go. Boom. I'm going to turn it off before I forget. Pull a Rachel and forget. Okay, so I'm going to go into the kitchen first, then to the bathroom, then upstairs, and then to the backyard. So coming down the hallway, we do have laundry off to the left. As you can see, our kitchen and dining room are separated from the living room. I don't think you would want to put a dining room right there, right when you walk in, just because this one back here is kind of tight for how many people can sleep in here. Because you can sleep 4 people in here, if not more, but the dining for it, I mean, this table's only set up for 2. It's a beautiful table, by the way. All right, I think you'd have to figure out some more dining options. Okay, so kitchen, full-size fridge, beautiful granite beveled edge countertops, a slate tile in the back, red, kind of like a red burnt sienna color in the back. We do have natural raw looking cabinets with the slow close features to it. Oh, except for that one. Or maybe I didn't open it. No. And we've got, that would drive me nuts. It's kind of off. Full-size microwave, matching stove, and the matching dishwasher. Very clean, very cozy. Nice large sink. And we've got a window to the back that also overlooks the airport back here, which we'll go see shortly. As far as heating goes, we do have central heating. See a vent right here, recessed lighting. We also, for insurance purposes, this would probably be a bonus. You have, what do they call those things? Like a fire, so it'll shoot water out if there's a fire in the house. I need to get a carbon in there. And then here we are in the bathroom. We do have tile floors, plank wood tile floors. Beautiful piece. Not really kind of Big Bear down here, but kind of a marble up top with a bronze color in there. And then coming in, we do have that red color as well. And then check out this shower. So this shower has definitely been updated. Beautiful, kind of just one strip of it amongst tile. Little shampoo body wash holder. And then this is just a plastic tub. Black fixtures, super clean. I probably would also get a taller shower curtain and go all the way to the ceiling with it. That would be beautiful. And we're gonna come, here we got the stairs. So this is where you can see that the carpet is starting to kind of have a little bit more wear and tear than you would want, because it's like packed down, especially in the areas of a lot of use. We do have wood wainscoting. halfway up the wall. Nice trim around all the windows too. So the way this is going to be is more of the master over here, a bathroom connected to the two, and another bedroom. So we're just going to make a big circle right now. So the bedrooms are separated from each other, but this is probably the larger of the two right here. And it really just repeats what you have downstairs with that walk-in pop-out right here. But then this would have been the living room area. So over here, if it were me, probably do like an office area, although you're not supposed to have an office in your bedroom. It does work for having more people sleep in here, but the more people that sleep in here, the more you cannot eat those people in here. You're not eating people, but you get my point. You all cannot enjoy eating together. So that's 2 people. Here's 4 people. I just know there's going to be a different use for that area. I mean, if you have dogs, it could be like a dog bedroom. Then we have a nice closet in here. So this does make for a good primary home because you have lots of closet space, lots of storage space, close to town, washer, dryer, updated too. That's for sure. And then here coming into the bathroom, I thought I turned this light on, maybe not. A little too dark for me. So we're gonna go back to that same floors on the that we had downstairs in the bathroom. This one, I think if you took away this red, it would make this feel larger than it is. I would probably forgo this thing because you're kind of walking into it. Something might be behind here. Oh, it's got like a stopper. Just too cluttered. Do you have the shower that you walk into? Just a basic pan tile, same as downstairs, shampoo box, and then I'm not really sure what that is, but maybe it's just like holding it into place for extra support. We do have the toilet. This is just a single piece from Home Depot. But I mean, overall super clean. It does have a second bath, which is nice, but I would think you could do something a little bit different with that. And then coming in here, we do have bedroom number 2. You could get bunk beds in here if you wanted to. Probably along that wall. This is going to give you a more aerial view back here. You can see the airport, you can see the mountains back here. It looks like they're building maybe a new construction back here as well. I see somebody digging down there, some footings. But overall, a good bedroom. You put a TV on the wall right there too. Dresser in here. And then the mirrored sliding glass right here as well. Just super clean. All right. So now that we have been in those bedrooms, let's go out back and see what it's like out there, even though we've kind of already seen like an aerial view of it. Out here as well. So here we are in the backyard. You got a gate that can hold you in, hold animals, kids, things like that in here. Got the water heater out here. Nice hardy deck, dining room, table, I guess could technically just be out here. And then we have a hot tub back here, fully fenced all the way around. And then a little fire pit area out here. So you can't burn real wood out here, but you can burn like glass and things like that. And it's got a little propane tank in there. And then you can see the footings back here are pretty big, but I think the hot tub's just so big you can't get it up there. It would just take up too much space. So there you have it. 731 West Country Club, 2-bed, 2-bath, listed for $359,900. Right down the street from the convention center, 5 minutes or so to the Vaughn Stater Brothers area, 7 minutes to the ski slopes, Bear Mountain, 8 or 9 minutes to the village of Big Bear Lake, and that's about it. Let me know what you think. Bye.